On a monthly basis, we're capable of 2.5 million units, what we call an equivalent unit. Right now we're making about, I think this month we're going to make about 1.5 million, 1.7, but we're capable of doing more than that. The amount of products, we got 5,000 kind of operating inventory type products that we keep an operating running inventory on. So not to mention all the special jobs, the special products, special colors. That includes all the colors and all the different styles. But we do a lot of different, between interlocking pavers and slump and split face. And I mean, we got 10 categories alone of just the different types of blocks. So yeah, we do a pretty diverse product line. Our hardscape, we make as many hardscape items as just about anybody. So yeah, it's a pretty big product line. We have 3 machines. We have 2 4-block machines, what they call Columbia 1600, a CPM 40. Those both are in building A. They're 4-block machines. They're a little bit more high production type machines. And then we have a 3-blocker that we had brought from Santee and we put out here. And that does a lot of the hardscape stuff and some of the blending stuff. And we designed our own tumbler. And that's in building A on machine number 6. And it does interlocking pavers. And it's a smaller, it's what we call a 310. Its circumference is 3 foot by 10 foot long. And it does mostly smaller products and everything, but we do them in line so we don't have to handle them twice. And we can actually tumble those the very next day. The input and output is at the same speed as the machine, so you're not losing any production on the what we call the green side against the gray side. The gray side is what we had produced the day before, and the green side is what we're producing right now. Well, the secret is to keep both of them going at the same rate so you don't lose any production. And this particular tumbler is able to handle that. We only handle it once, and so you don't have double inventories, things of that nature. You can't use the word no at RCP. I mean, it's like, let's think about it. Let's find a way. Let's mold it around a little bit. And yeah, there's the inline splitting. Nobody was doing inline splitting, and we were one of the first ones to do that. Nobody was recycling the materials. We do that. Nobody was tumbling inline, and now some people are tumbling inline. So we've been kind of at the forefront. We're real proud of that. And the fact that we've been able to be innovative. We've developed some new lines over the last year where we've actually made our own molds and done a lot of stuff to see whether or not they were going to be viable products. So we've been real efficient, real effective through this downturn. And it looks like we're getting busier now. We're coming out the other side, and maybe we're coming out stronger than we went in. So we're real happy about that. And because we do keystone products, which have a little diamond piece out of it because they're a tri-split, you get more coals. So what we do is we take everything that is a coal, and we put it through a horizontal impact crusher, and it goes over a screen, and it separates it into a sand size and an upper end aggregate, or a 3/8 minus size. And we use that all back into the product. We haven't taken anything to the landfill since 1992. I mean, the whole idea of recycling is to preserve the natural resource and to keep the landfills from filling up. So we think that we've been very innovative. We probably have recycled more material, I think, than any place in the country over the last 20 years or so.